good afternoon, and good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. This is another quick, deliberate cooking, and I'm going to try to get everything on one video, but if I don't, I'll have a picture of the finished product. As you guys know, if you've been on the last few videos, I have been having technical difficulties with every electronic thing I have. So I'm on my phone, I cannot be on here long. So what I'm doing, I'm making tacos. And this right here is the tofu. I got it seasoned, a little olive oil on it. This is me just making it up as I go, okay? And hope I made this as scrambled eggs, the firm tofu. So it should brown. I have some black beans here. I have some, this is last of the little collard greens that I had because I let them go bad. Some leeks and parsley and some mild cheddar cheese. I cut up some potatoes here. And I have this lemon. Now this is me trying. It may just burn up in my, I don't know. I'm just going to try it. And over here I have some parsley. So I already blend that up. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I don't know how this is going to work, you guys. I don't know if I should put the parsley on last or what. Maybe last. What do you guys think? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to put that on there and hope that it turn out okay. Should I put the lemon on now or last? I don't know. This is just me doing it. I'm going to put just a little bit of lemon on each one. I have no idea what I'm doing. And I will get back with you. I'm going to blend up this stuff here. This I'm going to use for lettuce. Chop it up real good, fine. Fry this up. And I think I'm going to mix this with this and make it more of like a, not a paste. You know what I'm trying to say. It's going to be blended with this. Okay, that's all I can say. I don't know the correct name for it. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I am back. And let's start with everything that's cooked up. Now my tofu turned out to be more like scrambled eggs. Didn't get as brown. There's a different one that gets much browner than this. Tastes like scrambled eggs. If you haven't tried it, you should try it. So I have here, I got rid of the collard greens. It's just too much green because when you see the beans, they turn completely green because of the parsley. And the reason I did this is because I purchased the parsley to make falafels or falafel, I don't know how you say it, and it was going bad, so I wanted to use it. And the garbanzo beans, I didn't have. Well, I had it in the package, but of course I didn't let it soak overnight. So this turned out to be really green, but it is tasty, okay? So it is weird looking, but I have a funny feeling it's still going to taste delicious. So what I'm going to do is set up these tacos here. And I guess we'll put our little egg-looking tofu in it and cover it with ketchup so it don't make me think of it as eggs, but it do taste like eggs, you guys. I actually put it in the oven under broil to see if I can get it browned. I let it get so brown on the skillet. That's what you're seeing there. Tastes like scrambled eggs. Okay. So this one got a little bit on the dark side. So I'm just going to throw that in there like that. Okay, so there's my protein. That's my protein. Okay, stay with me, hopefully you guys, and so I won't have to look at it. I'm going to drop some ketchup on it. And so, you know, I know you put ketchup normally last, but I think I'm going to put it on this time. I'm going to put the ketchup on it first. Because, just to trick my mind. Then, I don't have any sour cream. Don't want the lettuce because I have all this greens. You know, don't want the, I know it looks crazy, right? This actually tastes like green. I've never like beans. I've never eaten this much parsley in my life. And don't even go there. I know what you're thinking, because I know what I'm thinking. But I won't say it while I'm in the kitchen. But I'm thinking of the after effect. Okay, so I did that, and I thought to break it up, sorry, I'll add some rice in it. Just to, I had some leftover rice to break it up so it won't look so bad. That's for my mind. I know it's going to taste good. Okay, I have no doubt that it's going to taste delicious. So, you look a little sloppy there. Are you guys still with me? Okay, let me move you. Okay, and then I have the shredded cheese right here that I'm going to throw on here. I'm in the camera. Sorry, y'all. Cover up all that greeny goodness that's good for you. Still good for you. You know what? I'm going to put a little Crystal Springs, and it has no garlic in it, so I love that. Put a little of that on there. And put a little, the leeks, just a little bit. Making a mess here. I'm going to just scoot all this over here so you guys can see my potatoes. This one. I kept the skin on them. The potatoes came out great. I know the plate looks a mess. So I hope you guys stay with me while I try out these different recipes. And maybe you don't have to become a vegetarian, but you can try maybe once a week or once a month. Try a little something healthy. More healthy. Not saying that you're not. I don't know what you're doing. But anyway, that is what it looked like. And thank you for being with me while I fix this meal. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. If you're new to this channel, welcome. And I'd like to welcome all my original subscribers. And have a great, wonderful weekend. And I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.